today I want to share with you how to get better crop from our gardens. Okay, so I am Vasanta from VS Gardens. So this is what I am doing, what are the containers I am using. I will tell you in step by step because this is only a part 1. Okay, I will be doing step by step and I'll show you what I am doing on this garden to get better yield like. So to get better crop and all. So this first of all I want to show you how is my garden and what I am getting from my garden. Even previously I have I have so many harvests I have put in my previous videos, and even this watermelon also was there in that even even big watermelon I have taken, and ash gourd I have taken, and these cucumbers I have taken, brinjals I have taken, tomatoes I have taken, and even turmeric I have taken, then taro leaves I have taken, and long beans I have taken. So many things I have taken from this garden. And this time also, not this year, this season also I want to take more and more crop out of it. So as we go on and on, we have to gain knowledge, isn't it? I have gained a lot. I mean, I mean to say that I have a little knowledge, more knowledge about all these things. So I want to share with you. Okay, so this is how my anjeer plant is. See here, see anjeer. This is anjeer, and I am so much proud of this. See here, so big leaves are here. As you can see here, so many are coming up. So many. Every leaf is having. Every leaf there you can find you can find this anjeer on it. Okay, as it grows bigger, it is growing bigger. I have taken this. I have bought this plant only 2 months back. Okay, and this star fruit. Regarding this star fruit, now it's on flowers, but I have taken lots of fruit from this also, about 8 or so. It was 2 months back only. I have bought from this. Brought this in my garden. So I have already harvested one crop, and yeah, some I have more than 8 or something, 10 like that, and this is flowering again, and I will get another crop again. So here also you can see anjeer on the plant. We should always have 3 plants at least. What I feel is we should have at least 3 plants for each. Suppose if we love anjeer, then we like the fruit, then what we should do is we should have three. I have 3. Out of these three, 2 are growing here well, and 1 is growing here. It is not actually. This is the first plant I have purchased it, but this is slow in development because all these are coming off by the side. We should not encourage all these things. And next time I will be repotting this. So we should have 3 plants at least. Even this star fruit I have only 2, but I can add 1 more too. Okay, like this. And this is a lemon, table lemon it seems. And next one is even this is having so many. Oh, so many are coming off. See here. You can see these. So many. Yeah, so cute, no? Here. Are you seeing? So cute there, isn't it? And here so many tomatoes are also here. Tomatoes means I have been showing you lots and lots of tomatoes here. These are all cherry tomatoes. These are all cherry tomatoes. So many are there. See here. Bunches and bunches of cherry tomatoes are also coming. Here you can see. Okay, like this, so many are there. Okay, and this apple bear. This apple bear is affected with some problem is there, and something is attacking them, and I have to look after this. I'll show you. Only 3 are there. I have harvested 1. 3 fruits are coming. Okay, I'll show you here. 3 fruits are coming. I have already shown you. So here also, here you can see. See, small one is there. So 3 are there, and I have harvested 1. Okay, and here, all these are cherry tomatoes, and you can see tomatoes, and here. All these are tomatoes. So brinjals are coming. Even brinjals are coming. See here. So many are coming off. So many on each branch. So many are coming off. See here. And everywhere you can find. Down also there is a plant growing with so many with so big leaves and all. So what I am doing? I will tell you here. And this saphodellas are coming down with so many flowers, fruits and all. It is there. You must have seen that. And next, yes, star fruit is also down. So this is what is this? See here, this is sapota, custard apple. See here, some flowers are coming here. You can see so many buds are coming. You can see here so many buds are coming, and this is growing very healthy. Okay, to see here, so many small buds are coming. Okay, you can see, and I can show you so many on this, but it will become too lengthy, and that is why I don't want to. So what, and this one, this one is a guava tree, guava, and you can even see this. Here also some buds are coming. Here also some buds have started. You can see here buds are coming. So all the plants, this what all I have shown you. This tomatoes, this anjeer, saffodilla, then sapota, this custard apple, star fruit, and even this mosambi. Here it's bearing flowers. I have harvested, last time also I harvested. So all these plants are growing very healthy. Even for everything where I am getting flowers and all. Everywhere flowers, buds are coming, and lots of even leafy vegetables are coming. So to get like this, what I am doing, I will be telling in my next videos. Okay, and even long beans I have shown you before also. That has been affected with the aphids, and with aphids it has been affected, and I have removed all the aphids, spraying some ash. What did I do? I sprayed some ash on it, and everything went off. See here, so many long beans are coming. So many long beans are coming. Here also you can find, and brinjals are there. It's getting dark now. Today the atmosphere is very nice. It's getting dark very fast now. That is why I am closing this. And yeah, this is the next I will be telling you how I have gained, or what I am doing to get this crop like. I have yeah, I'll tell you. Before also I have harvested so many types of vegetables, turmeric and watermelon, then taros and all. So many vegetables I have harvested. There are so many harvest videos also in my set of videos. You can go and watch there. So it is what we are doing, and how we are harvesting, what is the harvest I am getting. And I will be showing you, and with that we can know what if it is what we are doing is correct or not. Okay, then thank you and bye. And if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you can get my next videos too. Okay, then thank you, bye.